Hi, and welcome to the Warren Weld Center. My name is Daryl Swokas, and I am the Weld Center Supervisor. In Warren, we have the capability to weld anything from a 1/4 inch to 3-inch wide bands. We are a Lennox certified weld center. Well, in order to get certified, Lennox came in for a few days, went over every step of our process. Here's a Lennox representative to talk more about the process.
Thanks, Daryl. My name is Matt LaCroix. I'm the Director of Marketing here at Lennox.
My name is Brian Rook, and I'm the National Account Manager for Lennox with responsibility for MSC Industrial Supply.
I'd like to take a minute to explain to everybody what it means when Daryl tells you that the Warren Weld Center is Lennox certified. Truly, this is not a simple thing to achieve.
It requires a considerable amount of investment and a conscientious effort on everybody's part in order to satisfy the standards of the program.
Those in the metalworking industry know the importance of bandsaw blades. And the reality is, no matter how good of a job we do here in the factory,
The bandsaw blade is only as good as the weld that joins it together.
something that might surprise you, most of the blades that we ship here from Lennox actually go out in coil form. We actually rely on our distribution partners, like MSC, to weld the blades and make sure that they're of the highest quality. As the market's evolved, end users have put even higher demands on their production operations. That makes it even more critical that the bandsaws that we produce together deliver on their sawing expectations.
For years, Lennox had offered an authorized welding distributor program that gave assistance and guidance to those distributors that welded bands from Lennox coil. Some years ago, in an attempt to keep up with the ever-changing marketplace, we completely revamped the authorized welding program and relaunched it as the Lennox Certified Weld Center program. This program has many more components, is far more rigorous, and it requires a distributor meet several higher standards of compliance in order to earn this certification.
The Certified Weld Center program makes sure that MSC has the knowledge, the resources, and the incentives to make sure that they produce the right level of quality each and every day. That ensures that our end users are getting the best products that we can possibly provide so that they can meet their sawing and efficiency goals. MSC had to demonstrate that the machines, the processes, and the operators were all up to speed so that they could produce a world-class weld. The Warren Weld Center enjoys a number of unique distinctions among Lennox weld centers. First and foremost, it's the largest distributor weld center in the country.
In addition to being Lennox's single largest distributor weld center, the Warren facility enjoys many other distinctions. It was just the third distributor weld center to earn certification under the revamped Certified Weld Center program, and it is the only distributor that earned that certification on the very first round of submitted articles for inspection.
So the Certified Weld Center program is not just about becoming an elite weld center, it's also about maintaining that elite level of production.
And I would also go a bit further and say, amongst all of the Lennox welding distributors, the crew in Warren, Michigan is by far the most handsome. Another important measure of the effectiveness and the credibility of the Warren Weld Center is the sheer volume of blades that are welded there each year.
The MSC Weld Center was able to weld over 100,000 high-quality blades for the 7th year in a row.
That is a considerable accomplishment, especially when you consider the very high quality standards of those welds and the fact that the vast majority of them were shipped the same day that the order was received. As you can tell by now, I'm a very big fan and a huge proponent of the Warren Weld Center and Daryl's team, and I'm not easily impressed.
As the Director of Marketing here at Lennox and one of the architects of the Certified Weld Center program, I'd like to recognize MSC for your success with the program and your commitment to ongoing quality.